Hello everyone, this is Sean Heather, and in this video I'm going to show you how to unlock your Vivo X300 Ultra, Vivo X300 Pro or any of the Vivo or iQOO smartphone if you no longer remember the PIN, password and you're stuck at the lock screen. So here we go. So here is my Vivo X300 Ultra. Let's assume I no longer remember the PIN, password. I'm stuck here at the lock screen. The Face ID is not working, the fingerprint ID is not working, and I can't go to the settings to remove any kind of security from my device, to perform hard reset, etc. So in this video I'm going to show you how to perform a hard reset right from your lock screen to remove all kind of security from your device to gain the access back to it. But keep one thing in your mind, that whatever content you got on your device will be deleted, and if you were using a Google account on your smartphone, then it might ask you to enter your Google account credential after finishing this process. So when you are at the lock screen, the very first thing you have to do is switch off your device. Once the device is switched off, you need to press the power button and volume up keys together. Press and hold them for a while, don't move your fingers. Once the Vivo logo appears, you can move your finger from the power key, but keep pressing volume up until this screen appears. So now we are inside the fast boot mode. We got two options, reboot and recovery mode. And the recovery mode is what we are going to use for this process we are performing. So to navigate between the options, we will have to use the volume keys, volume up to go up, volume down to go down, and power button to select it. So press the volume down to go to recovery mode, then press the power button once. After that, device will reboot and it will go into the recovery mode. And now you can see that we got multiple options here in the recovery mode. One of them is the clear data, and this recovery mode interface is touch enabled as well. So you can just tap on the clear data button here, and then you will get two options, clear cache and clear all data. So we have to tap on clear all data. After that, it will show you this warning message here at the bottom that it will wipe out everything from your device, your contacts, photos, SMS messages, etc. and it cannot be recovered. So just tap on the OK button here. After that, the device will start performing the hard reset. As you can see here, the data is being wiped out and the process is completed. Now all you have to do is tap on the return button, then tap on this arrow to go back to the main screen, and then tap on the restart button here. After that, tap on OK. Once the rebooting process is completed, we will start totally fresh with our Vivo X300 Ultra here. We will have to go through the setup process, do all of the settings that we did in the very beginning while setting up the device. We will have to do it one more time. So here you can see that it is asking me to set up the lock screen PIN, fingerprint, Face ID, etc. That means the previous ones are gone. And here we go. So as you can see, we are at the home screen of our Vivo X300 Ultra, and it is no longer asking me to enter the lock screen PIN. So this is how you can remove all kind of security from your Vivo or iQOO smartphone if you no longer remember the PIN, password, your Face ID, fingerprint ID is not working, and you are stuck at the lock screen. So that's all for now, friends. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it useful, then give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe the channel, and I will see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.